the requests for Justin Bieber's haircut in the Popstar video. The song is amazing by Khalid and Drake. I gotta tell you, the requests are coming in already. So today I'm going to be doing Justin Bieber's haircut, and follow along and I'll break it down at the end. All right, everyone, so let's break down the Justin Bieber haircut from the Popstar video. This is almost like a classic Bieber where it's got a lot of movement and a lot of texture to it. So what I did is I established the length throughout the nape and the back area, as you can see right in through here. And the key to this haircut is just a lot of movement, almost like you're trying to mess it up. So you need to have a lot of layers, you need to have a lot of texture in here. So if you are getting your haircut, you need to pretty much go to somebody who knows how to cut and layer hair. Probably maybe a hairstylist is what I would suggest. The sides, I would say the length is cut halfway down the ear, and then by getting it to go up makes it look a little bit shorter, but it's actually just kind of flipped up this way right into this area, and the same thing on the other side. And then the front, what I did is I cut it to probably about just the underneath the eyebrow, because I wanted to have a little bit of length that I can use to scrunch, right? The scrunch like this. And then what I did is I connected the layers from the back, and you can see how long it is. They're not really, really short layers. He does have some length in throughout the haircut, so I'd probably say about 5 inches long, working all the way towards the top and in through the front. So this all kind of flows in through here. I really, really texturized this by point cutting. I went in with my thinning shears. I went in and I held a lot of the sections horizontally to help remove some of that weight so the hair can move around and get flipped up. Excuse me. So if you are going to someone to get your hair cut, you know, what do you say to them? Well, I would suggest showing them a picture, but this is almost like the classic kind of surfer look where, you know, it's just to the middle of the ear. You could say like the back corners you want to have, you know, long enough to flip out a little bit. You want to be able to flip the sides up. You want the top to be textured and messy, and you want it to come just about to the eye, right below the eyebrow. If you say that, somebody should be able to understand what you're saying, but again, show pictures of Justin Bieber's hair in the video, show screenshots. Then the magic of this hairstyle, of achieving it, is this product, Tidal Wave. Literally, this is what Tidal Wave was made for, is for hairstyles like this. And what's amazing about this, yes, it's a sea salt spray, but the reason I even have this in my line, and I've used dozens of other professional sea salt sprays, this is the first one that I've only used ever since, does not make the hair feel grimy or gritty or overly sea salty, which I've experienced on like 90% of sea salt sprays. It's literally the perfect amount. I sprayed it in like this, worked it through the hair after I dried it, and then I really kind of just scrunched it into place. And the magic of this product is you want to just let it air dry into this kind of look, right? You can then, scrunch it. You can add some texture to it. This sea salt spray really, really is phenomenal, and it's great for this type of look. Again, Justin did have a little bit of kind of curls or some waves in through here, which you could achieve by scrunching, right? But I think he naturally has a bit of curly hair or wavy hair, so he's got that natural texture. But you can get very close to it by using a product like this and just by scrunching it into place. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you like this new song. I think this song is really, really good. It's definitely a hot record that they made. Really awesome. It's great to see Justin in it. And let me know what you think. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.